What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you a little bit the track bike that we are offering since 2023 model, but it's been in our hands from 2018, I think, now. And you guys have been seeing all over social media, been racing in multiple pro athlete teams. We just never launched it to the public. We did it right now with the new 2023 collection. The name is Freccianera, and it's a super fast bike. One of the top speed rail train in the world, and it's from Italy, and it's called Frecciarossa. It reach above 300 kilometers per hour, and in this case we take the inspiration for that train, for the speed, for the shape, the aerodynamic study, and so we call it that way also because of this experience that we've been developing when we were studying with Arust here in California, shaping all the aerodynamic frames, including the Venturi and the TT application. And so since it's made of carbon, instead of rosa means red, so we just switch it to black, which is Nera, so that's why it's Freccianera. But that's the meaning of the name of this track frame. As you can see in most configuration, it's coming with these very high-end wheels from our sister brand Spaziale, with full ceramic bottom brackets and bearings on the wheels all over the place. We wanted to offer, compared to the other models that we have in our collection, normally we offer kind of 5 configurations. This time we only offer 2 plus 1, because we intend the track bike to be, it's not just going outside commuting or taking a nice ride with friends. To us, track rider or track ride is serious stuff. It's a serious ride, and you go there to hammer down, miles and push as hard as you can. So that's why we only offer this limited configuration. And then I said 2 plus 1, because we offer one top of the line and something just below top of the line, just changing a little bit things like the wheels and stuff. And then we create the 3600 version, which are the second of 1 hour. And this is because in Mexico, through the Canons Pro team, we wanted to attempt our record, but it was during the COVID times and we couldn't. But anyway, we developed that frame specifically for that purpose, and we decided also to keep it in our catalog. We have both front and rear lenticular wheels, and it's made a little bit more specific for that kind of attempt. So now it's also available for everybody, for general public, and also of course with the custom colors and parts, we can do it everything, customized, from the carbon fiber finishing. The drivetrain is coming like in the standard size on the right side, like almost I would say 99.9% of all the bicycle on the market. But we have been experimenting and tried back with the drivetrain on the left side, and this bike is made to make it possible to switch the gears, and not the gears but the drivetrain, sorry, to the left side. In this way, when you're turning around, since you're going to against the clock, having the weight of this drivetrain on the left side, it's kind of lower the center of gravity and lower the weight on the bike. So it's more, we find out it's more helpful in that kind of situation, and so this is fully customizable as well. and for whoever is really seeking for, you know, the very high top performance that they can come out with, either from the bicycle than the riders itself. 3600 version, it's also available with custom um, measurements of the handlebars and stuff. We built something specific for the user, for the rider, and then as well custom colors and paint job for the frame and also for the wheels. The frame is coming with the lifetime warranty as well as the wheels, and the parts, it's a non-nominal lifetime warranty. That's mean also the second user or the third, or no matter how many user or owner, let's say, of the bike, will still have the factory warranty on the wheels and on the frame as well. So this is because this is the same philosophy we adopt and we offer on our uh, product we are in our catalog. And this is because we believe so much in our product. We put so much efforts in developing something. It's not just fast and high end, but it's also super high quality, and we strongly believe in it. I hope you enjoy the video, you like this Freccianera bike, and please drop some comment down below and let us know what you think about it. Cheers.